Here's a revisit to the Magnavox radio that I posted earlier, and I've been looking around inside a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see this. I thought it was weird looking. I'll get my flashlight to turn on. There's a capacitor in there. Anyway, it looks like it was half dipped. I think it's a ceramic capacitor, and the power switch has been disconnected. I think it must have stopped working. And this is what was added, and the antenna wire. I'm not sure. I really wonder if someone put that in there also. Anyway, the newer radio that the radio I got recently, I don't know if it's newer or not. The clock is messed up a little bit on it, and this one works okay. So I'm wondering if maybe I'll just take this radio and use it for parts. Let's see. I'll get a better view of the chassis. I haven't cleaned it up yet, and I'm still waiting on the replacement capacitor. The capacitor was originally mounted somewhere in this area.